see what I see.
Maybe. I'm not a huge fan of lamb, but my family is, and I'm a huge fan of theirs. So that's what we're having tonight. Well, I'm not having it, but that's what they're having for dinner tonight.
So selfless of you.
Well, it was also on sale.
Oh.
Thanks for watching our last video. We had a lot of fun making it. I also really appreciate the comments that you leave. We really enjoy reading them.
And a special shout out to Deb903 for correcting us in the butchering of the name of that said restaurant. She says, in Texas, we pronounce it Chipotle.
All right, super simple recipe. We had previously made this as a video when I was still experimenting with sous vide with the Instant Pot. And it was kind of ridiculous, if I remember correctly. In the end, it kind of worked out, but I'm really hoping for better results using sous vide specific device. Here I have a rack of lamb. I'm just going to salt and pepper and toss in some organic fresh thyme. And that's it. Pretty simple.
That's all we need.
And pepper. And we're going to do the other side. I did remove the silver skin on the back. It was really thin, so I'm not sure if you have to, but I did. Okay, I'm going to pop it in my bag. I have a bag that's big enough for the rack. Just make sure you measure it before you cut it. And I think I'm going to just put it in this way. And it's just, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sprigs of thyme.
Fresh.
Yep, and if you don't like thyme, you can use rosemary and garlic. I don't know what else you would put with lamb, but that's what I imagine. I'm just gonna seal my bag. We'll be right back. Okay, vacuum sealed my lamb. I have not had great experience with these vacuum sealed bags, so I am going to just pop it into another Ziploc bag just in case, but it really shouldn't be a problem. The last few times I did this, there was no problems with the bag. Okay, my water is heated up and I'm going to plop this into the pot. All right. I'm just going to pin that in place. Okay, we're going to let that cook for 2 hours and then we're going to sear it and serve it for dinner.
Not for you though.
Not for me. That's fine. So in the next 2 hours, I will be making the sides to go with the lamb, and I'm just going to have leftovers. But
Aww.
it's fine because I like one pot pasta.
Thank you, honey.
All right, see you later. I forgot to mention, and maybe some of you noticed, I didn't put any oils or butter in with the rack of lamb because on the interwebs, there's been a lot of discussion on whether or not oils or butter actually breaks down the meat differently. So I'm gonna try it without the oils and butter and see how it turns out. But I think the consensus is that it's better without.
It's blinking green. I think it means go.
It's done in any case. 2 hours is up. And we're just gonna take it out of the bag. Turn it off too. Good thing we double bag.
Did it?
No, just saying.
Oh, just yeah, make it sound like something happened and
Nothing
it didn't.
happened, see? Everything is still in the bag.
And sealed up. Very
Sealed
good.
up. Perfect. So I'm just going to slice it open. And what I'm going to do now is heat up a cast iron pan and give it a good sear. You know what? These kitchen shears are terrible.
It's time to get a new pair.
I know, they're all like yucky.
And these ones, they weren't capable of coming apart like I've seen other kitchen shears do.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Look at that.
Yeah, yes.
Sorry, the bag was in your way.
I like how the thyme is totally in there with the meat.
All right, let's get the frying pan heated up. Going to just take this thyme off, but I am going to throw it in the pan as well. And we're going to salt and pepper it a little bit more. I'm going to do the fat side down first. Starting with a tablespoon of canola oil. See that it's starting to smoke. It's already fully cooked, so you just want to have it on there for about a minute or two just to crust up the fat and to put on a crust on the meat. I'm tossing in about a tablespoon of butter. Throw in the thyme. Spoon this over. Adding some flavor back to the meat. Just going to put it back on this plate. I'm going to slice it up.
That looks really good.
All right, what you've all been waiting for. It's time for
Taste. Thanks for being so self-sacrificial. Taking one for the team. Thanks, Flo.
Hey, you know.
You know, trying to be humble. That's just you, Flo. Oh boy.
I have to say, it does look really good.
It looks really good.
And
it looks awesome.
The smell at the very end was actually, it smelled good.
Mm-hmm.
But I can still smell the lamb, and I can't get past that.
It's the gaminess that you don't like. So what'd you put it on?
Oh, that's a bed of Israeli couscous and spinach. Thought I'd give that a try.
Very nice.
We didn't film that, so for those of you who may want the recipe, please comment below.
Okay, I'm not like the ultimate lamb fan. I'd take a steak any day, but I don't mind the tenderness of the lamb. Dude, so tender.
Now you'll take it over a steak?
Or just, I'll take it, period. You finishing it in butter with the thyme that was in the bag. Mm-hmm. Nice way to finish it off.
Awesome.
So very tender. I don't detect the gaminess myself. There are times when I've had lamb that it's a bit more on the gamey side. Mm-hmm. Not in this case. Butter or oil or no oil or butter in the sous vide. I do like the tenderness of it, so I don't know what to compare it to because you don't have lamb that often. We'll do it next time with steak.
When we do steak, we usually put oil in there, but
let's not next time. See how it goes.
Give it a try.
Yeah.
So take another bite, or what are we doing here?
Oh, we're trying out the couscous and the spinach. Yeah, I like that too. Nice complementary flavors to the lamb. 2 thumbs up.
Awesome. Thanks, dude. Mm-hmm. All right, a very simple but elegant dinner, actually, I have to say. It's very pretty.
Can't wait.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And some of you have mentioned that you are no longer getting notification of new videos going up. So I think you just need to click the bell icon somewhere down here. So do that, and then you'll be notified of new videos, and subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and come follow me on Instagram. Till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.